NAWIC is proud to honor Catherine Escobar as the 2009 Crystal Achievement Award winner. Catherine, a 36-year member of NAWIC, received this honor for her passion to encourage and empower women in the construction industry. Catherine was born and raised in Seattle, Washington, to parents Clinton Bud and Catherine K. Woodard. After Clinton served in the Coast Guard, the couple started their own construction business, Woodard Construction of Seattle and Anchorage, Alaska. Little Catherine's construction experience began at the young age of 4. She would go to the construction site with her father and help him stack wood. Like many other construction brats, Catherine and her 2 older brothers, Arnold and Rick, helped their father in the field by painting, digging, hauling, and hammering. While other girls were taking ballet lessons, Catherine was learning how to use a drill, saw, sander, and hammer. In her early teenage years, Catherine helped her mother with accounts payable, payroll, and correspondence, all without the help of computers and word processors. During high school, Catherine put together a crew that cleaned up construction sites. Window scraping and cleaning while on an extension ladder was their specialty. After high school, Catherine continued a career in the family business. She worked as an executive assistant and project manager at Woodard's Anchorage location. Among other duties, she is responsible for purchasing and coordinating shipment of materials and equipment by air, barge, rail, and truck during Anchorage's short building season. Already an advocate of women in construction, Catherine was instrumental in starting the local Anchorage NAWIC chapter in 1973. In 1977, Catherine and her family relocated to Portland, Oregon. From 1976 to 1982, Catherine owned Area Northeast in Portland, where she provided accounting and office services to the construction industry. She also served as controller for Empire Building Material Company. In 1982, Catherine moved to sunny Monterey County, California, where she worked as an accounts receivable manager for Design Professionals Insurance Company and as a cost accountant at Lubin Construction Company, Incorporated. Since 1991, Catherine has been a partner with 3 companies: Escobar & Escobar Concrete Construction, WBE, DBE, CNC Concrete Pumping, and Advanced Concrete Equipment, LLP. Catherine's extensive construction background has provided her many opportunities to influence others. She has been described as smart, ethical, honest, and fearless, never letting anything get in her way of accomplishing a task that needs to be done. Since 1985, when she read a Business Roundtable report addressing the alarming decline in the construction workforce, educating young people has been her goal and commitment. She served for many years as the Workforce Development Chair for the Monterey Bay NAWIC chapter and as the Monterey Bay District AGC of California Workforce Development Chair. She has presented at numerous career fairs and most recently joined community leaders in speaking at North Salinas High School. In 2000, she became chair of the Accreditation Committee for AGC's Hartnell College Mission Trails ROP Construction Academy, the first and only academy jointly accredited by AGC in the nation. In 2002, the Mission Trails ROP received Model Practice designation by the California Department of Education. This prestigious award was the first and only in the history of the state of California for a construction program. Catherine was the first female member of the AGC Union Contractors Committee, the first female contractor member and vice chair of the Cement Masons Craft Committee, responsible for negotiating union contracts, the first female management trustee for the AGC of California, and the first female member and chair for the Monterey Bay District AGC of California. In addition, she served 9 years as a state board member in the male-dominated AGC of California. During her 36-year NAWIC membership, Catherine has been involved with the Anchorage, Alaska and Portland, Oregon chapters, and most recently the Monterey Bay, California chapter. She has held numerous leadership positions, including chapter secretary, treasurer, vice president, and president. For her tireless efforts, Catherine has received numerous industry awards in recognition, including the Salinas Valley Builders Exchange, 1998 Woman of the Year, and the AGC Monterey Bay District 2000 Contractor of the Year. Most recently, she received the AGC of California and the Monterey Bay District Lifetime Achievement Award in May of 2009. Catherine and her husband Cliff enjoy being active in their local Rotary Club, working in the community, and making great friends. Catherine has 2 children, Jerry and Gia, 8 grandchildren, and 1 great-grandson, all who reside in Seattle. Catherine's energy, commitment, and passion for construction, combined with her work ethic, integrity, and dedication to construction education, have made her an exemplary role model. Her efforts have not only influenced many women to choose construction as a career, but they have created opportunities for women at all levels in the industry. We applaud her determination and strength, and we honor her tonight for her vision for women in the industry.
call.